Hello guys, welcome to this video. I will draw this example front of you. I pick the diameter 60. Now I will draw a line down in the angle of 90 and the length 52. I come across to the right side by 84. It is the half of 168. I go up by 24. And also what I will do here, like 168 minus 100, and then I divide it into 2, so I get 34. Now I will go up by 254 minus 130 and minus 52, and here 130. Here I will make a diameter circle by 40 and radius over here by 40 also. Now what I will make, drawing the mid circle 24 diameters, which is 12 in radius. I will draw the second circle and also the third one, 40. Now the last circle, which is 54. It is not been written in the example, I don't know why, but it's 54. What I will be making here is drawing a line from the right and the left to define the center points of these two circles, which they are 14 radius. And this radius for the right and left circle, which they are 35, and this one is the biggest one, which is like 76, but I have made this one mistake. In fact, it is not at 35, it's 36 to make a perfect circle. Now I will make the smaller circles, 14 radius, and now I will draw a line. No need to define the point here, so you just cross this line and give it, like for example 61 at 90 angle. We will get right off from that point by trim at the end. Now I will make the 10 radius between those circles, which they are 94, and here we have one, it's 6, and the other one is 5. This is 6, the first one on 5. Now I think everything has been completed, so I will delete the extra points and I will use also trim, and this line will help me to make a mirror of this picture or design. I will trim the whole left side and clean up everything. This circle in fact was by mistake, so the right circle is in here, not in that point. I will go to trim and clean up, enter, and now clean up everything. I will mirror the whole design. Just click on this point and down on the other point. You will get the mirror. I don't want to erase the original object. Now what we are missing in this design is the hatching. If you want to make the hatching, you come to hatch over there, or you write on the screen hatch attach or hatch. You click on one of these by here. From here you can change the angle and the size. I will just put it in 1.6 close, and that's it. This design is ended. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe on my channel. See you on the next video, guys. Peace. Bye.